How do I connect a PASCO sensor wirelessly via Bluetooth to Sparkvue software? I'll demonstrate with this wireless temperature sensor, but the same procedure also applies to other PASCO Bluetooth low energy devices like these. From Sparkvue's welcome screen, select the sensor data path. Then, from the top bar, choose the Bluetooth button to open the wireless devices dialog. Next, power on your sensor. Its Bluetooth light will blink red, indicating that it's available to connect. If you're using the traditional installed Sparkvue application, your sensor should automatically appear in this list of available devices, along with any nearby PASCO wireless devices. Devices closer to your computer should appear toward the top of this list. If there are multiple sensors available, identify your sensor by its 6-digit ID. And select it to connect. It will move up into the list of connected devices, and the sensor's Bluetooth light will blink green to indicate that it's connected. If instead you're using the browser-based Sparkvue PWA or Progressive Web App, in the Wireless Devices dialog, select the Connect a Wireless Devices button to open your browser's Bluetooth connection dialog. Once again, identify your sensor by its 6-digit ID shown to the left of the greater than symbol. Select it, and then choose Pair to connect it to Sparkvue. Repeat the connection process for any additional sensors in your experiment. Then, in either version of Sparkvue, press Done to return to the sensor experiment setup screen. Now, select your preferred route to create an experiment, whether it's building, opening, or using a templated quick start. For my temperature measurement, I'll select the Digits and Graph template, and I'm ready to start collecting data. By the way, you can also connect sensors from within a Sparkvue experiment. Just select the same Bluetooth button from the top bar to open the Wireless Devices dialog and follow the same process.